Family and friends are going to be minty green with envy with this pre-owned 2023 Chevy Tahoe Premiere. Yes, plenty of chrome. Mint green metallic is the paint. V8 power underneath the hood. We got 20-inch polished alloy wheels wrapped in Continental all-season tires. We got our side steps here. Heated and vented front driver and passenger powered buckets. Also, this is a telescoping center console. We got plenty of room in there. Cup holders, wireless charging, 12 volts power, connectivity, all of our climate controls, radio controls here on our Chevy infotainment system, full digital cockpit, and also premium Bose stereo. Second row, twin captains, more leather. Oh, yeah, these are heated. We have a power inverter here, USB hubs, and of course, our climate control here. Plenty of leg room and some cargo space right there. Also, in the back, the electric lift gate is up. Now, third row is up. We got some storage underneath, but guess what? We can put down the third row with just the touch of a button, and also we can put down that second row, and we have plenty more cargo room back here on our pre-owned 2023 Chevy Tahoe Premiere right here at Payne PreOwned Weslaco. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.